Hello, welcome to Farm.com Risk Management Daily Online for July 30th, 2015. I'm Mark Luddy, and today we're going to look at the latest grain export numbers. Over the past couple of weeks, commodity prices have fallen, and because of that, export demand has picked up slightly, and especially in new crop soybeans. So looking at corn, old crop corn exports came in at 365,000 metric tons and 443,000 metric tons for new crop. Expected was at 300 to 800,000 metric tons, so we are above expectations in corn. Accumulated exports now sit at 40.5 million metric tons. That is down from last year's almost 42 million at this time. Old crop soybeans came in at 416,000 metric tons. New crop 899,000 metric tons. Estimated was, or expected, sorry, was at 800,000 to 1 million metric ton mark. So we are way above expectations as well in soybeans. Accumulated exports now sit at 48.4 million metric tons, and that is up from last year's 43.9 at this time. And then wheat export sales came in at 699,000 metric tons for 15-16, and just 1,000 metric tons for 16-17. Expected was at 400 to 600,000 metric ton range. So again, we're above expectations in wheat. Accumulated exports now sit at 2.6 million metric tons. That is down from 3.5 at this time last year. So the bottom line, new crop corn, soybeans have booked just over half the sales typically we see during this time of year as of last week. The markets seem to have uncovered some export demand on these lower prices, especially in soybeans, as I mentioned, which is offering the markets a bid across the board today. Throw in extreme oversold conditions, and the grains are finding a bit of bounce here. Total new crop U.S. corn sales came in at 4.3 million metric tons. They still lag last year's new crop sales pace of 7.75 million. Wheat exports sales came in at just over 700,000 metric tons, which is well ahead of expectations and up 40% from last week and 70% from the 4-week average. We do not have a strong demand bull nor a strong macro bull market, but the latest storm in the macro markets will pass with time. Speculators and investors may be reluctant to press soybean futures much lower until more is known about the magnitude of the decline in the U.S. soybean planted area, which we'll probably get a better idea coming out in August, beginning of August in the WASDE report, along with getting a better handle on the August precipitation and temperature patterns. That is all for today. Until next time, thanks for watching.